back to the channel. Today I want to make a quick video about how you can send a reminder to your client to pay your invoices. You don't have to email manually or again sending an invoice. There is option in the Xero where you can set the days and the message where the Xero will automatically send invoice a reminder invoice after due date. So how can we set it up? You need to go to our invoices as usual, and you will there is an option invoice reminder which is currently off. I'm going to click here. I'm going to click here, and then now there is other option which is 7 days overdue. You can set a multiple reminder. The first overdue will be after 7 days, the second will be after 14 days, and the third will be after 21 days. And there is also an option include button to online invoices and detail summary, and include a link to the invoice PDF, which means there will be a button in the email. The client will click it and they will view your invoices. And then there is also a video attachment to email as well. And there is another option which is you are stating that if the invoice is minimum, don't send reminder of only invoice under. If invoice is minimum, let's say $50 to $100 or $10, whatever you choose, then the Xero will not send invoices. Or at this time you don't want to click this. And you can edit these options as well. Just like I'm gonna edit, and now send invoice. And now there is other option send if an invoice is overdue by or due in. Like if you can send invoice before due date with your invoice is sending invoice is due after 2 days, and you have to send a reminder before 2 days. But here we due by 7 days. So 7 days I think is a lot more. So I'm gonna click on the 2 days here, and then I can there is a placeholder which is it will automatically fill by Xero's invoice number, trading name, and you can customize the message as well. I'm gonna hit save, and I will also edit these days after 7 days, and after 2 days invoice is due, it will send the invoices, and after 7 days if it's not paid here, it will send again. And we will show 10 days. And there is an option insert a placeholder. Like there is a LDL or pre-built placeholder, but you can also insert these as well, like week, year, due date, invoice number, contact first name, and all that amount without currency. I get and save, and then when you hit save, now if you come down to again invoices, now the option is on. Now every invoice what will be sent in automatically by Xero after 2 days, after 7 days, whichever you choose. So that's it guys. This is a quick video. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.